So over here is gonna be my front door area, my laundry room, which is so nice. So over here is one of our bathrooms. And this is a 4-bedroom, 3 full baths. So I'm so excited. Here's a hallway. This is where the master bedroom is. And then that's where the walk-in closet is. And I'm loving that I have a lot of windows in my master bedroom. I like lighting, bright lighting. And then let's go take a look in the walk-in closet. Tons of space, huge. And then it's another window, give us that natural lighting. And then tons of storage space. So I'm loving this. And then again, the his and her side. And then back into the master bedroom. So over here is the master bathroom. And then you've got the shower right here. And then you get to sit in there. And then this is the vanity and the rest of the master bathroom. And then the toilet room. And then I'm so excited about this area because I can't wait to decorate this area. And then I got a vanity, so I need to get a stool. I'm so excited about that. You got some nice like cupboards, like tons of cupboard space in this house, which I'm loving. Let's go check out the kitchen. Okay, so over here is gonna be where the pantry is. Then you got like a little hook. This is the living room right here. So we got a fireplace. This is the door, it leads to one of the areas back there. And then you got dining room 1. This is one dining room. And then this is a second dining room over here. So you got a second dining room. And then right here is the kitchen. So this is the kitchen area. I'm so excited about this house, y'all. And then tons of cupboard space. You got counter space, which I'm super excited about. That was something that's big when it comes down to like the heart of the kitchen. I like space and I like cupboards. So this was definitely the kind of kitchen I definitely wanted to be in and cook. So I'm excited about that. And then let's go and check out the other rooms. And then what I love about this house is it has high ceilings. So I'm loving the high ceiling look. And then these stairs will make you go a little dizzy if you look down. All right, so over here is one of the rooms with the closet. And then you've got more closet space, which is nice. So this is another room, and this room's nice. It's very spacious. And you got like 2 closets, 2 walk-in closets, which is really nice. Just tons of space. And then this is another room with another walk-in closet. So I'm so excited about this house. And then here's another bathroom. So I just want to tell all my subscribers, thank you so much for always tuning in with me. This is a new adventure for me and my family. I'm so excited that you guys are here. This is just something that I've been working on with my family, and now we're officially settling. And I'm so excited. Like, I hope you guys enjoyed this little house tour that we have. And please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more, because now I got to decorate this house, and I would love to have you guys here with me as we grow with these. I would love to have you guys here with me as... Okay, so right here is the wall, but this is the ceiling to the second dining room, which is so huge and tall. The closet, still coming together. Got to hang everything up, put everything in its place. But yeah, that's what this is looking like so far. I'm loving all these shelves. Like, I don't know what to do with all this space in this closet alone, but I'm going to figure it out. And, you know, it's going to be awesome. So far I just got all my books and like my little activity stuff that I like to do. And then, yeah, so this side, I mean, I got tons of these. I love that, you know? I love these high ceilings. And then this window right here is just so gorgeous. Here's another nice little chandelier. This is the dining room. Again, there's a kitchen. Trying to figure this Halloween fireplace out. That's the upstairs, and then coming down the hall. Let's keep going. All right, guys, so we are now 2 days in our new house. This is a formal dining area, and what I'm liking about this area is the bright lighting that comes through this house. I love a well-lit house. So the only thing I'm gonna do in this area is, this is the formal dining area. So we're gonna put a dining table and all that in here with the rug and change out the lights to more of a brighter light bulb, like daytime, I think it's called, or daylight, I don't know, whatever. But basically I want brighter light bulbs instead of that yellow tone. I don't like yellow lights at all. It gives it a dull look to me. And these won't be here. So we're getting leather couches instead. So we're actually waiting for the delivery to come on those, and those are going in the living room. So now we're over here in the kitchen area. The kitchen area is pretty much all done. Everything's in its place. I think I have like one more box of a couple kitchen dishes that are like holiday dishes. And then I still have a couple fall decorations that I gotta put up. But yeah, so far this is a kitchen area. Tons of cupboard space. And then up here, I think I want to put like all kinds of like some kind of like decoration, probably some kind of greenery. But then also too, I kind of just like the plain look so far. So I don't know, I'm still playing with that idea, seeing what to do with that. So far I got my coffee area. I'm loving all the counter space, the cupboard space. It's just nice and roomy. So far, this is the area that we're working on next. This is gonna be the living room. We are waiting for those leather couches to come in, so those should be here shortly. And so far, I just got Halloween decorations. Just gotta move those shoes and then do something with that. But yeah, this is a work in progress over here, but it's gonna be so fun. And then we got some more high ceilings, which that's one thing I will say I love. And then let's check out the rest of the kitchen. Okay, so right here is the dining area. And this is where we're gonna put another kitchen table in here, just something, you know, simple to match the furniture. I love the windows in here. It's full of that fresh, natural sunlight. So that's one thing I'm really, really loving. And then it just brings the kitchen so much personality. So this is the master bathroom, and this is where we're gonna end this video at right here. So right here, I'm loving the natural lighting. That big window gives it tons of light in here. And I love how roomy it is. So I've been putting all my stuff where it needs to go, the makeup, all that. You got that big mirror, and then you got the his and her sink, plus the shower, which is nice because you could sit in here after a long day. So I'm loving that. So I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much for joining me on this house tour. It's gonna take a while to get everything together, start decorating. I can't wait to do that, show you guys more. And with that being said, thank you for joining me on this house tour. So please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I hope you guys have a blessed and amazing day. And I hope to see y'all in my next video. And I hope you join me on some more of this house adventure, decorating the house for the holidays and just everyday living. So please make sure you are hitting that post notification bell so you're always tuned to when I upload a future video. So with that being said, y'all, be blessed.